So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket, and today we are exploring a very interesting option to use with OpenClaw, that is open source models. Yes, you heard it right. Now you don't require to have OpenAI API or Cloud API to run OpenClaw. OpenClaw now supports local LLMs as well in support with Ollama. So you can see that OpenClaw, the AI that actually does things. If you don't know, it's a viral AI agent that can automate anything for you in your local system that you can run from any old Android phone or Mac Mini or whatnot. It is a 24/7 running AI agent that can perform your task and not just talk to. So first of all, if you look at the official release by Ollama on their official page also, you can see that OpenClaw has now an integration with Ollama, and you can use the cloud models also from Ollama, not just the local ones. So I'll be showing you how to connect Ollama with OpenClaw, and rest of the video remains the same as I've already explained in the previous video. I'll be sharing the link on how to connect the chat application with the OpenClaw. So I would be just telling you how to connect the local model with OpenClaw. So first of all, you need to install OpenClaw using npm. As you can see, npm I -g OpenClaw, and then launch OpenClaw on board. So let me show you that. I've already done this npm command, so I won't be doing that for you. Let me run the onboarding part for you. So you can see that we are on my local machine in CLI. I'm typing OpenClaw on board. So this will show you the config, what you need to set up. So I will tell you where you need to change your model. So in the previous video that I've shared in the link also in the comment section below, I was using an OpenAI API key. This time we are not doing that. We would be using Ollama. So I understand this is a personal by default and shared. Use required lockdown. Continue. We will do a yes. For onboarding, you need to do quick start. For model auth provider, you need to go to Ollama now. As you can see, there are multiple model providers now available for us, but our use is with Ollama. If you click here, Ollama base URL, this remains the same. Once you enter, you can see Ollama model, cloud plus local or just local. So I'll be using Ollama cloud models plus local. So here you can see that it will load Kimi K2.5 colon cloud. And these are the local models that I have in the system. Gamma 31B or GLM5 cloud. So it might not be of much use. So I will be using the keep current Kimi K2.5 cloud. If you enter this, everything is done. Now select the channel. So I've already done that for you in my previous video. I'm not repeating everything again. You can refer to that video. The link is in the comment section below. If you just want to go with the local model, we will be running the same thing. So we are not using the cloud model this time. We are using a local model for Ollama. There's just one option that you need to change, and everything else remains the same. So this will open the again the onboarding set for you. Do a yes here. Quick start. Again go to Ollama. Here is Ollama for you. Ollama base URL. Enter here, and then you need to enter local. Once you enter local, you can see downloading GLM 4.7 Flash. This is a big model, 30 billion parameters, so it would require about 50 to 60 GBs of RAM. I don't have it, so I won't be able to use it, but if you want to use it, you can run through Ollama mode local. Once you are able to do this, just again, you need to set up your Telegram or WhatsApp API. The token that I've already set up in my previous video, kindly refer in the comment section below on how to proceed further to connect Ollama with your chat applications now. So this short video I was explaining you how you can connect your local model with OpenClaw. Rest of the process remains as it is as for OpenAI or Cloud or etc. So in this way, you can use a local model with OpenClaw and don't pay anything for it and run your AI agent 24/7. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.